In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make table of contents in WPS Office Writer. Creating a table of contents is an important step when working on longer documents such as articles, reports, or school papers. It helps readers quickly navigate your content and gives your document a more organized and professional look. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process in a clear and simple way so you can confidently add a table of contents to your document without confusion. Before adding a table of contents, the first thing you need to do is make sure that the titles of your articles are properly formatted as headings. To do this, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Next, highlight the title of your article or section. Once it is selected, choose the heading style that best fits your layout. You can use a single heading style throughout the document or apply multiple heading styles if your document has main sections and subsections. This step is very important because the table of contents will only recognize text that uses heading styles. After applying heading styles to all your titles, you are now ready to insert the table of contents. Click on the References tab located at the top menu. Then, move your mouse to the exact spot in the document where you want the table of contents to appear. This is usually placed at the beginning of the document, but you can choose any location that works best for your layout. Once your cursor is in position, click Table of Contents. You will see several built-in Table of Contents designs. Choose the one you prefer, and it will automatically appear in your document using the headings you created earlier. The Table of Contents will instantly list your titles along with their corresponding page numbers. If you want to customize the Table of Contents, you can click Insert Table of Contents. From there, you can adjust the number of heading levels included and change the tab leader style to match your preference. These options allow you to fine-tune the appearance without changing the structure of your document. Take a moment to review your table of contents and make sure everything is displayed correctly. If you update your document later, you can always refresh the table of contents to reflect the changes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.